Yes, Ajink, I'm audible to you.
Hello.
Yes, I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, how many topic you have prepared for mock today?
Hello.
Yes, today, how many topics you have prepared for mock interview?
Sir, I did basics of a little bit of everything.
Yes, basic little. Okay. Yeah, let me start once again. Introduce yourself.
Uh, Hello, sir. My name is Ajinkya. I I hail from state of Maharashtra, district Osmanabad, and I have completed my 10th and 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Pune, and I have graduated from IIT Guwahati from Chemical Science and Technology branch.
Yes, good. Your name is Ajink. What the meaning of your name?
Yes, sir. So my name means invincibility, the one who cannot be defeated.
Yes, how do you feel about your name? Can you describe 50 to 100 words?
So this name was given to me by my father, and this name uh, the, this name is very common in Maharashtra, and you must have also heard of the cricketer Ajinkya Rahane. So he's from Maharashtra as well. So it's a pretty common name in Maharashtra.
Yes, good. Next one, what's your strength and weakness? Describe briefly.
So my strength is I'm very meticulous and sincere in my approach. I I'm very hardworking and I'm very punctual, and I keep my deadlines strict and to the point. My weaknesses are, sir, uh, I have a very perfectionist kind of mindset. So this also sort of paralyzes my actions in which needs some practical approach during a scenario.
Yes, good. Next, move on your hobbies. Your hobby is badminton and chess.
So that time I didn't prepare, so I just said something. My hobbies are playing chess, painting, and meditation.
Yes, only one hobby is sufficient. Yes, playing chess. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
what is chess game? Can you describe?
So chess is a strategic board game which is said to be originated from India. It's a 64. It has 64 squares with black and white squares, and it has various pieces such as king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawns. And the aim of the game is to checkmate the opponent's king.
Yes, what the basic rule of chess game?
So basic rules of chess are the white starts the game first, so whites get the first chance to move, and then alternatively black and white alternatively they play, and the so the players use various strategies and plans to uh, corner the opponent's king, and try to checkmate it.
Yes, what's your favorite player in chess? Indian and
So my favorite chess player is Arjun Erigis. He is currently number fifth in all over in the world ranking.
yes. Presently, who is number one player in chess global level?
So currently world number one is Magnus Carlsen with a rating of around 2,830, I believe. Yes, sir. Is also said to be known as the greatest of all time.
Yes, any drawback, disadvantage of chess?
So disadvantage, there is no such disadvantage as such, but the main demerit I found was that it's a very addictive game. So if you take very much interest in it, you can lose track of time.
What the secret rule of chess? Any secret rule?
So there's no such secret rule, but there are some unusual rules. For example, uh, the rule of castling is a bit weird for a novice for amateur players. Also, the rule of en passant, in which you capture the opponent's pawn when it is moved near your, and you have moved two squares, and it if the opponent's pawn is side beside you, then you can capture it.
Yes, good. Next one, your other hobby is painting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you describe your hobby? How to use it?
So in my free time, I try to break away from my routine and just play with some colors. I try to uh, mimic some of the sceneries or any painting and try to imitate it.
Yes, good. 1 point. Yes, next move out. Your point number two is your native place, your district. Yes,
Yes,
na.
sir.
Your state is Maharashtra, district is Dharasir. Yes, na.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. How do you feel about your district? Can you describe briefly?
Sir, Dharashiv district is named after uh, Dharashiv caves, which is said to have formed during the fifth or seventh centuries by Rashtrakutas. And in this district, it's mainly an rural and agricultural in nature, with various and there are also sugar mills and cotton mills to support the farmers.
Yes. What the role of your district in Maharashtra? Political, economical, physical, geographical, cultural. Describe one by 1 point.
Okay, sir. So politically, sir, uh, from my district, uh, from my hometown, which is Bhum, which is in the district of Dharashir. From there, the MLA, Mr. Tanaji Sawant, is in the cabinet ministry, and so this also influences the policy making in Maharashtra. Geographically, sir, uh, it's a drought-prone area, so there is a scarcity of water. So during harvest, sorry, in so during monsoon season, there is less rainfall. So farmers face little bit of crisis there. And culturally, sir, it's a since it's a rural uh, rural area, so uh, the customs and traditions are very enriching.
Yes, what's your favorite place in your district?
So there's a nearby fort. It's called Paranda Fort. So yes, sir.
Yeah, next move on Maharashtra. Yeah, Maharashtra is the biggest state in
Yes,
our
sir.
country, and also GDP is so large. How do you feel about your Maharashtra state? Describe briefly. Political, economical, geographical, cultural, one by one point.
Yes, sir. So yes, as you have mentioned, Maharashtra is a very big state, and it contributes significantly in the GDP of India. Politically, sir, mm, uh, there are politically it contributes 36 MPs into Parliament. So this influences the policy making at Parliament. And so if you look at geographically, it has very rich resources. For example, it's the Deccan Plateau. We have Deccan Plateau, also the Western Ghats, very large rivers such as Godavari, Krishna, and Bhima also flows through it. Also, sir, the forest areas, and we have national parks as well, and wildlife sanctuaries such as Tadoba and Hari. Um Culturally, sir, it's a very vibrant. It has very vibrant uh, culture. There is also uh, we have various communities such as Buddhist, Jain community, large section, and of course, sir, the Marathi culture, which is influenced by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and also the saints like Sant Tukaram, Sant Naneshwar. This influences the culture and traditions of the Maharashtra.
Yes, good. Next, what the main role of Maharashtra state in our country, India?
So economically, uh, we can say, uh, let's say Mumbai. Mumbai is also one of the biggest states, and it's also called the economic capital of India. And Maharashtra is one such state which provides employment not only to the locals but also the migrants from other states such as Rajasthan, UP, and Bihar as well.
Yes, good. The next move on your B.Tech project. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, probably status of global warming and CO2 to convert in CS3 methanol, reduce to CO2, yes, atmosphere. Yeah, what the
Yes,
main
sir.
application of your B.Tech project? Application.
So the first and foremost application is since the in our B.Tech project we are using CO2 as a starting material. So we can sequester the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for this. What this will do is it will reduce the atmospheric carbon dioxide and can help reduce global warming if we apply it industrially. Second thing is by the product methanol. By producing methanol, we can use it for methanol blending to make clean fuel. And also, sir, it can be used as feedstock for a variety of chemicals to make other chemical products as well.
Yes, what is global warming?
So, global warming is the increase in temperature of the atmosphere of the Earth, uh, and this leads to unconducive environment for the human habitation.
Yes. Yes, your project is how to reduce CO2 in atmosphere. What the method and procedure from your side?
To reduce carbon dioxide, sir.
The
We
CO2.
can first is yes, sir. So at industrial scale, we can capture CO2 from the atmosphere by the process of carbon sequestration. The other could be the ion fertilization of oceans. So by using iron as fertilizer in oceans, we can increase the number of phytoplanktons which can consume the atmospheric carbon dioxide.
Yes, what the beneficial point of your B.Tech project? What the beneficial point of your B.Tech project in our society, human being? Any 4 5 point?
So first is to as we have mentioned, to reduce the carbon emission, to sequester the carbon emission. Second is to it can applied as clean fuels, so we can use it as an alternative to fossil fuels, since we know that there is increasing demand for fossil fuels and there is and the fossil fuels are depleting as at a fast rate. Third is uh, the we can use it for other methanol is used in variety of chemical processes, and we can use it to make other chemical products as well, such as ethanol or let's say other carbohydrates as well.
Yes, what the drawback, disadvantage of your project, B.Tech?
So the main drawback was that we found it difficult to since the reaction to from CO2 to methanol is not a spontaneous one and is not a favorable pathway. So in order to make it a favorable chemical reaction, we found it very challenging to come up with a catalyst, certain catalyst, so that we can reduce the activation energy of the reaction. So we were working on this problem statement to come up with a new catalyst.
Yes, good analysis. Next, move on to UPSC. What is UPSC? What the main application of UPSC? What the role of UPSC in our country?
So UPSC is a central recruitment agency which is responsible for appointments, transfers, recruitments, promotions of in various departments.
Yes, presently, who is chairman in UPSC? What the role of chairman in
Uh,
UPSC? Describe.
Currently, sir, it is Mrs. Preeti Sudan. She is the head of chairman heads the commission, and the role of the is,
Is what the role of chairman in UPSC?
sir, the role is to head the commission and to look into the uh, administration and the smooth functioning of the administration of the commission according to the principles of the commission.
Yes. What the difference between director and chairman?
So, uh, directors are the role of director is to uh, the, the role of the director is to uh, head to look into the recruitment process and the reforms in the UPSC.
Yes. What the role of PM and CM in a UPSC and state PSC?
I'm sorry, sir. I'll look into it. I'm not sure.
Yes, which article mentioned in Indian Constitution as a UPSC?
So in under Article 315 to Article 323, Constitution in the Constitution, these articles refer to the UPSC.
Any drawback limitation of UPSC and state PSC from your side?
So, for example, in UPSC, the in the uh, civil in conducting of civil services,
Yes.
there is a lack of uh, it is it is criticized for lack of transparency, since the marks are provided to the candidates after the rank list is published. So that's the drawback. That's the limitation. So if it is
So
if
the
the
answer key.
marks are provided before the
Yes,
interview,
yes. Marks and answer key. Yes, answer key also
yes, sir. Right, sir.
published after final result. There is
Yes, sir.
drawback in UPSC. The next one is why will you become a assistant director in UPSC in MSME department? Why you want to join? Describe.
So the assistant director can help in uh, handholding of the MSMEs, and it can help them. It can stimulate the MSMEs to perform and improve their functioning. Uh, so, and since promoting the MSMEs has various advantages, because it will help in promoting entrepreneurship. It can also provide an alternative for the rural section of the population to have alternative economic uh, opportunities as well.
What the role of UPSC assistant director in UPSC? What the role?
I'm sorry, sir, I didn't get the question.
Yes, what the role of UPSC assistant director in UPSC? Your post is UPSC assistant director in MSME department, na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What the role of UPSC assistant director in UPSC as a MSME department?
So his role is to facilitate and uh, provide handholding to MSMEs, and to uh, uh, bring awareness and to supply information to MSMEs to make them aware of the government initiatives, so that they can take benefits of those schemes.
Yes, suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as a assistant director,
Yes, sir.
how do you see after 10 to 15 years?
Yes, sir. As we know that uh, almost more than 90% of the MSMEs are in the informal sector. So if I join, I will try to formalize these MSMEs through Udyam portal. This would aid in formalization of the MSMEs. And second, sir, MSMEs has a lot of potential in contributing to the manufacturing sector of the country, as as we have seen that in past few decades, the manufacturing sector of India has come to an halt. So reviving the manufacturing sector through initiatives like Make in India, Digital India, Stand Up India would greatly benefit the country's economy. And also, sir, MSMEs can also, for example, in chemical sector, we can promote products like green hydrogen, which is the need in the current times because of the changing climate situation.
Yes. Presently, you have done B.Tech from IIT Guwahati. Yes, no. Suppose if you will
Yes,
be
sir.
selected in UPSC as a assistant director. So
Right, sir.
how you have lot of knowledge in your subject like chemical. Your branch is chemical. Yes. So how will you
Yes,
contribute
sir.
your knowledge in your department, in MSME department, as a assistant director post? Can you describe?
Yes, sir. The first and foremost would be to try to encourage the chemical MSMEs, especially chemical, to have an R&D department within their section, because research and development, since MSMEs is a commercial and they want to make profit out of it, they try to they lack the R&D and this and innovation. So if they work on innovation, it can also help them in later future as well. So I would try to encourage and uh, the attitude of having innovation and uh, stimulate R&D in this. And also, so through my chemical knowledge, I can also aid them in optimizing their chemical processes, so they can scale up and they can cut down their cost.
Yes, good. Next one question is, suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as a assistant director. So what are the major challenges will you face during your personal and professional life? So how will you manage them? Describe.
So in professional life, uh, in any challenges, uh, I would refer to the citizen charter of the MSME, and I'll abide by the rules of the department. And if, let's say, if any challenges come, uh, I would be taught during the probation as well. So I can also ask my seniors for their insights on how to deal with different situation as well.
Yes, some point is right. What you look them? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
You can try to more and more explain.
Okay, sir.
Next, move on MSME. What is MSME? What
Yes,
the
sir.
main application of MSME in our country, in our
Sir,
system?
MSME is an acronym for
Yes,
micro,
yes, carry
small,
on.
and medium industries.
Yes, yes, carry on, carry on.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, carry on, carry
Okay.
on.
So MSMEs refers to the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Uh, the MSMEs, as mentioned by the Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, MSMEs are referred as the engine of country's growth. They have a lot of potential in terms of uh, uh, in the economic potential. For example, they contribute around 45% of our exports, uh, and and the exports value around more than 12,000 crores. It also it also generates second largest employment, which is around 25 crores, which is after agriculture. It also has strategic importance as well. For example, schemes like Digital India, uh, Stand Up India, Make in India, also the foreign trade policy. So these also influences the MSMEs as well.
Yes, which ministry under of MSME? And who is the MSME minister presently? Who is the minister of MSME?
So Ministry of the current Minister of MSME is Shri Jatin Ram
Maji. Yes.
Manji.
Yes, presently, which schemes running in your state as a MSME? Your state means Maharashtra.
Right. Sir, for example, sir, the PM Vishwakarma scheme, which is for the traditional and handcraft artisans. So it supports them and aids them uh, in trying to improve their access to market and financial market and uh, their financial aid. Second is credit-linked subsidies provided to many MSMEs. Third is the sir, PM Employment Generation Program, under which subsidized loans are provided to MSMEs to set up their plants uh, and to buy equipments. Third is recently customized credit card is provided with a limit is provided to micro enterprises with the limit of 5 lakh.
And which one schemes are running in our country, India, for MSME? How
So
many?
so these are the schemes which I mentioned are running in pan India, but these are also implemented in Maharashtra as
Yes, what the 45 rule? What the 45-day rule in MSME? What the main purpose of these
well. Yes,
rule?
sir. Uh, The 45 day rule finds its mention in MSMED Act 2006 and also the Income Tax Act. Under this rule, the businesses have to pay the MSMEs within the day of 45. This ensures they have adequate cash flow and ensures their economic sustainability.
Yes, who is eligible for MSME? What the registration criteria of MSME? And which type of documents required for MSME registration? Can you explain one by one?
So the criteria, the ministry has three criterias for let's for micro. It depends on sir, two factors. First is the annual turnover and the investment. So for the micro industries, the investment limit recently by 2026 25-26 budget is 2.5 crore, and the annual turnover is 10 should be less than 10 crore. For small industries, it is the annual sorry the investment should be around less than 25 crore, and the annual turnover should be less than 100 crores. For the medium industries, the investment should be less than 125 crore, and the turnover should be less than 500 crores. And for the documents, it requires their uh, proper documents like their tax receipts, their GST documents, and their balance sheet.
Yes. Yes, why is MSME important in our country, in our Indian government system? What the reason? Any 4 5 point?
So it helps in uh, employment generation. Second, it promotes entrepreneurship.
Yes,
Uh, Third, it provides an alternative for the farmers because in farming sector there is a lot of disguised unemployment. Uh, Fourth would be, sir, it has a lot of potential in, let's say, it has very traditional. It can boost traditional industries as well. The arts and art handicrafts sector.
yes, job creation, export, regional development,
Yes, sir.
entrepreneurship, innovation.
Right, sir.
Yes, yes. Who is not eligible for MSME registration? What the criteria?
So anyone whose turnover is more than 500 crores is not eligible for MSME according to the recent budget to
Yes,
2025-26.
yes. Any drawback limitation of MSME from your side?
Uh, so the main challenges in MSMEs are, for example, sir, lack of awareness regarding the government schemes. Also, sir, for example, also the lack of awareness of the intellectual property rights in certain industries which are related to science and technology. Third would be the, sir, lack of credit availability. Uh, Fourth would be the delayed payment of MSMEs, which leads to rising MSME NPAs.
Yes, good. Next, move on current affairs section. Have you read any current affair last 12 to 15 months?
So I'm reading newspaper and bit of magazines, but yeah, I have not completed it.
Yes, what is G20 organization? What the main application of G20 organization?
So, the role of G20 organization is to create a multipolar world and to maintain the stability in the global world order.
Yes, what the role of India in G20?
Uh, so India plays a very vital role in G20. It is said to be the voice of the global South, and it uh, puts the interests and the voices of the global South countries such as Africa, Latin American countries, and countries of Indian subcontinent, and try to promote their interests.
Yes, good. Today only basic, yes, second one. Next day we will discuss current affair and your technical section, chemical, B.Tech. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The other point is 4 5 point.
Okay.
Your answer, your from your side, is good answer. Yes, thank you.
So, sir, we can have tomorrow,
Yes,
uh,
next day. Yes, tomorrow. Yes, next day we will
same time,
discuss current affair and
5:30.
your technical section, technical part, B.Tech.